Your favorites before the actual fest. And this would, of course, be the time. A lot of us kind of are in that rhythm here in New Orleans. It's almost Jazz Fest time. It should be heating up, but it's not heating up right now, although this would be the first weekend, of course. Our temperatures right now, 74, and it's just looking beautiful outside. Those clouds have completely cleared out. Our dew point is in the 40s or 50s. That means nice dry air. And the dry air is not done yet. In fact, it will get drier tonight and cooler as we get a cool front. Just about perfect, though, at our different locations north and south of the lake. Our local expert forecast for those of you over in Shack Bay will say 76 or so, sunny and just about perfect on this Tuesday. And if you do like it a bit cooler and you kind of want one more sort of little chilly stretch before we start to heat up in May, notice that we do have a front, and this will finally be moving in as we move into tonight. You can see the clouds associated with that, and then these are the clouds and the little tiny bit of shower activity that we had very early this morning and overnight, now shifting off to the east with that little disturbance. So this afternoon and this evening, you can see looking nice, very clear. Here's the front tonight, and there's just not going to be enough moisture really to drum up a lot of showers or storms with this cold front, although sometimes, of course, we do see rain with cold fronts, but just not this one. It will just usher in that drier and cooler air, and then we'll see high pressure building on Thursday before our next rain chances come in late in the day on Friday. Today, we'll say highs about 77, and then tonight, 40s north of the lake and 50s south shore. So jackets, maybe even coats north of the lake. And as for Thursday morning, will be maybe 5 or more degrees cooler than this on the north shore, maybe just a couple of degrees cooler on the south shore. So your forecast lows early tomorrow morning, upper 40s north and mainly 50s south of the lake. And our high temperature tomorrow may only get stuck in the 60s. We may not hit 70 degrees tomorrow, even though our average high at this point in April is 79. We might be a full 10 degrees lower than that. And then we do warm up eventually to a little above that by Saturday when we get our next round of showers and storms kind of late Friday and into early Saturday. So that's our next rain. A lot of us sick of rain, but we do get a beautiful week, nice and dry tomorrow and Thursday. This next event will probably bring, we'll say roughly maybe 1 inch, maybe 2 on the higher side. And it is looking like there might be a few strong to possibly severe storms, maybe late Friday or early Saturday, kind of in the overnight time frame perhaps. I will show you in a second. Our European model, for example, just to give you an idea, has us dry Friday morning, but rain moving in. This is Friday evening. Some of the heaviest rain will probably stay to the north with this system as it kind of rolls across our area. Saturday morning, we're still dealing with a few showers, but it's all kind of exiting to the east. The European model has it gone well to the east of us by 7 p.m. So we will see. And then a little weak front on Sunday will cool us down just a touch. How much rain are we going to get? Just to show you a couple of models, the European model that I just showed you has about a ½ inch to maybe an inch or so. The GFS has a little bit more, closer to maybe 1+ inches for a few spots. But the point is, I think with this is that it's going to be moving and not just staying over us with rounds and rounds of rain like last week. And also we're not going to see really huge amounts. So we can handle an inch, maybe even 2 inches after this, pretty decent stretch we have going now with the nice dry weather. So hopefully no big issues. Our North Shore rivers now are all falling. Even the Pearl is falling as well. And it is forecast to kind of slowly fall, but it will happen in the next few days. And then you can see Sunday looking pretty good with a little warm up, looking a bit warmer as we get into next week, but no rain early in the week next week.